Today in Munchen again, snowing again. Today being 7 in Munchen, Munich, Germany. Another snow, wonderful snow. That is life. We find ourselves. That is European life. You like it or you don't like it, forget about that. That is Europe for you. That is Europe. That is Europe for you. That is Europe. That is Europe style. That is European style. Today being 7 of January 2024. Snow started yesterday again. After a week, it did not fall. Now we are back to it again. It is a time nothing man can do. That is life. Look at Europe is a very nice place. Wow, 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 wow. So beautiful. Life goes on. Anụ a na-akpọ egbe a na-akpa ndị yo. Igodigodigodigo. Anụ a na-akpọ egbe a na-akpa ndị yo. Anụ a na-akpọ egbe na-akpa ndị. Let us be walking on the snow, feeling snow for yourself. This is Western Europe life. There's nothing anybody can do about it. You like it? You forget about that.